Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with Staples, quick tutorial step by step clearly.
Start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy. You earn a commission by promoting someone else's products.
Now, let's explore how to start affiliate marketing with Staples.
First, visit the Staples website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the link that says Affiliate Program.
Click on that link to access the affiliate program page.
Read through the details to understand the benefits. Next, find and click the Join or Sign Up button. You'll be redirected to an application form. Fill out all the required information accurately. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link. This link will be used to track the sales you generate.
Now, explore the Staples product catalog.
Choose products that align with your audience's interests. Create compelling content around those products. You can use blog posts, social media, or videos for promotion. Make sure to include your affiliate link in your content.
Promote your content through relevant platforms.
Engage with your audience to build trust. Monitor your affiliate dashboard for performance updates. Analyze which products are generating the most sales. Make adjustments to your strategy as necessary.
Continuously build your content and promote effectively.
Stay informed about new products and promotions from Staples.
This will help keep your strategies fresh and relevant.
With dedication and the right approach, you can succeed.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.